Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing my May Boxy Charm video. I realize it is almost the end of May, but it just literally got here, literally today. If you guys are new, welcome to my channel, and if you guys are not new, welcome back, and thanks for joining me and us. Before you go, do not forget to hit that subscribe button and click that notification bell so you're getting the notifications of when my upcoming videos are coming out. Let's just get right into this. So this is what it looks like when I open it up. This is what it says. It's called Boxy Bash. I guess it's Boxy Charm's birthday maybe? I don't know. Alright, so the first thing I see in here are these, and they are makeup brushes. This is a trio of 3 different brushes. There is a spoolie, an eyeliner brush, and an I'm assuming what appears to be an eyebrow brush, maybe. This trio of brushes, the 3-piece set, is $45. Holy shit. Pardon my French. That's a lot of money for 3 of these tiny little brushes. In all fairness, I have pretty much every single one of these in a bunch of different forms. So I am actually going to put this probably in a giveaway. I'm not even going to take any more of them out to show you, but that is what they look like. It's literally your everyday eyeliner brush, an eyebrow brush, and a spoolie. I literally have one of these at least 2 times over. That was $45 for the 3 of those, and that was a little bit crazy. So up next is, I'm gonna do the other brush that's in here, and it's from the same brand. And this is a P12. That's the name there. I probably completely butchered the crap out of it, but this is supposed to be a synthetic fibered brush for maximum control. This looks totally gibbled and smushed up and messed up, so I'm hoping that that's only going to be like this until I wash it. It looks like the fibers literally aren't cut properly here, but we will see. I will be testing this brush out in a second. This brush is a $27 brush. That's insane that those 3 other ones are more than the 1 brush combined, but you never know. It smells like, well, synthetic hairbrush. I'm going to put that aside for later because I will be using this in a second. I am going to be doing like a mini makeup situation. So up next is this here, and this is, it says Boxy Charm on the top, so it must be a collab with Beauty Creations. This is a liquid lip gloss, it says, but it says matte liquid lip gloss on it. And this is in the color Sweetheart, I think. That's what the container looks like. Yeah, and it says Beauty Creations right there. Long wear matte lip gloss. I don't really like lip gloss. It smells good. Let me do a hand swatch. So that's the color there. And this lipstick, so it was only $10, so that's not bad. It's actually not as glossy as I thought it was gonna be. I'm actually going to try it. Put this on. So that is what the color looks like on my skin tone. It's a bit tacky, but it actually mattes down really nice. So I'm actually quite impressed with this. I didn't think I was gonna like it, especially because it says lip gloss on it. But I am definitely liking how that looks on my skin. And then up next is something I'm not gonna be trying on right this second. This is a Cover FX Blurring Primer. Okay, so that right there is what it looks like. It is colored. Oh, and I don't know if you could tell the difference between right here, but that is definitely blurred. That is really cool. So the Cover FX primer is a $38 primer, so that's awesome. I like how it says not for resale on the back of it. Like I'm going to sell it. No. So it's a blurring primer that instantly minimizes the appearance of pores and fine lines to create a smooth, flawless airbrush look. Okay, so that would look great right in this area, especially for me. So I'm definitely gonna have to try it out. It made my, that looks so cool, like right here. It just made it so much softer and blurrier. Then there is 2 more items left in here, and I'm going to do this one first because I'm not actually going to take off my glasses and use it. So this here is the Pretty Vulgar, the Blacklist gel liner. So this is a gel liner. I'm just going to use this here that I'm just kicking around. I'm just gonna grab a tiny little bit of it and I'm going to do a swatch with this. Ooh, that is so dark. Look at that. It's very nice and creamy. Of course, I don't have a brush on me right now, but look at how dark that is. I am going to absolutely love that. It doesn't say on the container, oops, it doesn't say on the container whether it's waterproof or not, but let's just read this little thing here. Quick drying, it's got vitamin C. Oh, it's water resistant formula, so that's good. And this is a $24 eyeliner, and this is literally 6 grams, 0.2 ounces. That is a huge eyeliner, so that's actually worth it. Let's check the last thing out. So it comes like this, and of course it's packaged. I saw a sneak peek for this. I was super excited for it. This is the Pure Sculptor palette. It's got a mirror. This is what it looks like here. There are 2 highlighters and 2 contour colors or bronzer colors. I'm going to take this lovely P12 brush here and I'm going to use probably the lighter one. Usually I go for the darker one, but seeing as how dark that one looks, I don't think I'm going to try that. I'm going to just try this out. So let's see how well. Oh, this brush is a bit of a, these smell so good, kind of like ice cream. All right, no, I'm just gonna grab a brush that I normally use. Let's try this. Oh yeah, see, that works a little bit better. Honestly, that might actually be a little too dark for me for contouring. I don't know if it's patchy or what is going on with this, but I heard some really good things about it, so I don't know if it's just maybe my skin that's doing weird things right now. Let's just see if I can bronze up my skin a little bit more with it. Oh yeah, that would definitely look better as a bronzer for me. I'm just going to use a smaller brush like this and see if my nose looks contoured with it. Oh yeah. Ooh, I'm definitely going to use that as a nose contour. Whoa, that's a bit bright though. So let's just try to blend some of that out. That might be a little bit too dark for a nose contour. That doesn't look too bad. This brush is definitely not good for contouring. That is definitely a nice color. And then I'm going to use, so I'm going to use the lighter one I'm going to use the lighter one of the highlighter to see if it looks amazing on my skin tone. I'm going to use this to see if I can use the P12 brush that I just got in the Boxy Charm to see if it works better as maybe a highlighting brush. So it works a little bit better for a highlighting brush compared to a contour brush, but that's a nice color. It's nice and bright. I'm liking that one. All right, so I'm going to just use my finger and use the darker color and just put it in the inner corner. Ooh, a bit much. That'll be really nice. I might end up using this as an eyeshadow base color. That's pretty cool. All right, so the Pure Sculptor palette is $30, so that's pretty decent. I'm definitely going to end up using that a little bit more. I am really liking the highlighter though, and I'm super excited about trying this one out and the cover effects. And this lip gloss is actually really nice. It is matted completely down. It's not tacky, it's not sticky, and it's definitely not a gloss, so that's an interesting packaging choice to say. So let's just total this up. So we got 6 items this month. That's pretty crazy. I didn't even think about that. That's 6 full size items. Since obviously my math skills are really great, I'm gonna leave a stamp right here of how much they all were. So that was everything in this month's Boxy Charm. For this month, I am definitely liking all of these items. I'm gonna have to play around with the brush a little bit more, so I am definitely gonna keep this one and test it out. If I don't like it, I'll give it to one of my coworkers or friends. They would probably get more use out of it. I am gonna wash it to see if this does some better things. It's like sticking out weird there. And the little brushes will be put away to do a giveaway at one point or another. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you have a great day. Bye! A beauty sponge versus beauty sponge video. And if you want to see which side is which and how I got this look,